Creative teams often have to leave their tools that they're working in, sifting through hundreds of tabs to find, download, and then re-upload the assets that they need. Content Cloud's integrations help remove those extra steps by bringing your asset library into the tools your team already uses. So, for instance, here I've already connected through CI Hub of Content Cloud, and the way I did that was you go into the plugins panel and then you download CI Hub. And then once you've successfully connected with Content Cloud, you'll be able to access all of the folders within the DAM that you've already created. So in here, let's say I want an image of the trade show that I went to recently. I am going to drag or select that right here. And then you can see that I've already brought it straight into the project that I'm working on. So instead of constantly switching between platforms, downloading files, and managing those local copies, designers can actually just stay focused on the work in front of them. So it's a simpler way to get the right content into your creative workflow. So that's how the integration works. See you soon.